become anything I want to. A queen, an old woman, anything. Drama is all about fun. I'm a storyteller and a theatre artist. I work with children in their early years. So, theatre is my passion, and I'm sharing my passion with these young children. Theatre helps you to keep your energies around. So, for a hyper child, it contains you. For a shy child, it lets you blossom. So, I think it's a perfect balance to keep up with every child's habits and ambitions. Imagine, imagine. That's the best way that you can go anywhere you want to. Even in this lockdown, imagine what it was, what it is, and what will be. Because truth is stranger than fiction. I'm Kavita. Come and join me at Openhouse